Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve this LeetCode problem, which is prime number of set bits in binary representation. What it means that we have been given two integer left and right, and we have to return the count of numbers in the inclusive range. That is, we have to consider both left and right. Okay. Having a prime number of set bits in their binary representations means number of set bits means number of ones in their binary representations. This should be in prime number. Suppose this is the binary of 3 1 2 3 7, and the number of set bits are 3. Okay, and 3 is a prime number. Okay, so we'll consider 7 as our count. So we have to count only those numbers whose binary representation has a prime number of set bits. Okay, so how we can do it, since the constraint is very small, how we can do it? uh, let's see first what is given. We have been given this two integers left and right. Okay, now as constraint is very less, we can have an unordered set in which we store the prime numbers, okay, till 20, because more than that will go beyond our constraint range. Okay, so it will cover all our number of prime numbers that can come in our number of set bytes. Okay, then what we can take the count variable, okay, in which we'll store our final count, which will be our answer. Okay, and we can initialize it with 0. What else we can do? Now what we'll do, we'll iterate through all the numbers from left to right. Int I equal to left, I less than equal to inclusive, right is also inclusive, and plus plus. Okay, what we'll do inside this loop is we'll initialize a variable, we'll store the current variable in it, which is the current number, which we have to find whether it has number of set bits as prime or not. Bits initially are 0. Okay, now how we'll check the number of bits? We can run a while loop to check if num and 1, then it means it is 1, that is set bits, and we'll left shift 1. Okay, so this will give us number of set bits. Now we'll check if this is in our set which we named as primes. If it's not equal to prime dot n, which means it is present in that set, then what we'll do, we'll just increase our count. Okay, that's it, and at last we'll return our count variable. Okay, so this was a very easy problem. What we have done, we have iterated through all the numbers from left to right. Okay, we have iterated through all the numbers from left to right, and we have a unordered set which is primes. We have taken all the primes number which can come in our given constraint. Then we have count, in which we take the count of those numbers who have the number of set bits as prime. And then we have, what we have done, we have iterated from left to right. We have taken our number in num variable to check the number of bits inside it. This logic checks number of bits inside a number, and then we check if that number of bits is that number is present in our prime set. If it is present, we have increased our count and finally have written that count. So this was a very simple problem. If you have any doubt, just put it in the comment section, and keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.